Hi, boys and girls. We're going to be reading this story together today. The story is called The Magic Balloon. Leanna, or Leanna dreamed of adventure. She was always getting in trouble for sitting on the grass, staring at the clouds passing by in the sky. According to her big sister Danica, Leanna should have been doing something more productive with her time. That was easy for Danica to say. Danica was a star athlete. She broke the cross-country record every year. One day, Leanna was outside thinking that the shape of the clouds looked terribly like a ship on the ocean when she saw a little black speck in the distance. At first, she didn't pay it much heed, so she didn't give it much attention. But the speck grew larger and larger. It seemed to be flying through the clouds. When it passed through the sail of Leanna's cloud ship, its outline began to take shape. It was a hot air balloon, and it wasn't black at all. It was red, blue, yellow, and green with a brown woven basket hanging below. Leanna tore her eyes from the balloon, only to see Danica coming out of the house, hands on the hips. Although that kind of stance usually meant that she was in hot water, so she was in trouble, Leanna thought that the balloon would make her sister forget about being angry. "Look in the sky," said Leanna. "Do you see the hot air balloon?" Danica glanced up. "What hot air balloon?" "Can't you see it?" Leanna was almost alarmed. The balloon was so close that it cast a shadow on the lawn. Few seconds later, it landed with a gentle bump in the middle of their backyard. "Are you making up stories again?" asked Danica. Leanna blinked. The sunlight blazed bright in her line of vision. Suddenly, the world spun, and when Leanna opened her eyes, she was on her back on the grass, waking from a dream. She sat up and looked up in the sky. There was no hot air balloon, but the clouds were in the shape of a ship on the ocean. So the whole time, she was just dreaming.